Police arrive with an 8-year-old girl, Annie, who was found late at night wandering the streets in a ballet outfit. She says, "I ran away 4 months ago and I am living with my aunt, but I don't know where she is right now."
So there's a lot wrong with this scenario, and I think any EMS provider worth their salt is going to have the hairs on the back of their neck sticking up. I think finding a child in this scenario makes you think about child abuse and maltreatment. It makes you think about the context of how that child got there. But one of the things that we really want you to think about is human trafficking. Human trafficking is defined as the use of force, fraud, or coercion to obtain some type of labor or commercial sex act. And of course, we don't know what's going on in this scenario. We don't know that this child is being forced into sex acts or any of that kind of stuff. But it's enough that it should be in our consciousness, and it's enough that we should be thinking about what that next step is. Like a lot of other situations we deal with when it comes to child maltreatment or abuse, this is a situation where we want to report this to the authorities. We want to take the active steps to make a call, to identify the situation, and let somebody with a little bit more experience identify and investigate what's happening. Maybe there's a plausible explanation. Maybe we can find that this situation really is okay, although I don't know how you would. But what we really want is someone with eyes on this taking a look at it besides us. Now, you might say, am I going to get in trouble? Are we going to get other people in trouble by reporting it? No. And if that investigation turns out that there was a reasonable excuse, nobody's going to get in trouble. And certainly, I would much rather be on the side of I was concerned, I reported it, and I did my duty, than I ignored it. So human traffickers can be in a lot of different forms. Sometimes they're organized criminals. Sometimes they can be family members, as distasteful and as sad as that might be. The point is we don't really know, and you may never know what the circumstances are until a more formal investigation is formed and completed. The point is, as an EMS provider, we never want to leave that just out there. We want to make sure that we're contacting the appropriate resources. Most states have some either a human trafficking hotline or a sexual assault human trafficking number in state, and you should know what those resources are locally. However, if you are in doubt and if you don't know what those resources are, you can always contact the National Human Trafficking Hotline at 1-888-373-7888.